Hi all, welcome to DriveGenix. Today let's talk about vehicle insurance for cars or bikes or any other vehicles. There are basically two types of vehicle insurance: third party insurance and comprehensive insurance. In today's video, we will try to understand each and every type of insurance that is available for our vehicles, who should take which type of insurance, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages of each type of insurance, and how to purchase these insurance. Now let's start with the types of insurance. So we have basically two types of insurance available. There is a third party insurance and comprehensive insurance. Now let's start with the definition of a third party insurance. Third party insurance is a mandatory policy as per the Motor Vehicle Act of 1988. So third party insurance has to be taken with any purchase of a new vehicle, or it has to be renewed on your existing vehicle. So there is no getting away from a third party insurance. It is a mandatory insurance. So it may be a bike or a car or any pickup truck or any vehicle. It has to have a third party insurance, which is mandatory. Now coming to comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance provides coverage against own damages, total loss of vehicle or total loss of damage, theft, accident, explosion, fire, lightning, self-ignition, strikes, riots, natural calamities, or act of terrorism. So you can see there is a huge difference between a third party insurance and a comprehensive insurance. So what are these actual differences? Now let's talk about third party insurance. Third party insurance will only cover the persons who are involved within the accident, and it does not cover any damages which are caused to your vehicle. Shocking, right? Exactly. Having said that, third party insurance is mandated. It is mandated by the government. So any new vehicle or an existing vehicle should have a third party insurance. Now let's talk about comprehensive insurance. This covers damages to your vehicle as a result of incidents unrelated to accidents and collisions. Comprehensive insurance covers damages to vehicle, legal liability to third party, personal accident cover, theft of the vehicle, etc. Now there are many add-ons available for a comprehensive insurance. So something like a zero depreciation, engine protection, accessories cover, key cover, tire cover, etc. Now you may ask me a question: which insurance should I choose for my vehicle? Should I go with the third party insurance or should I go with the comprehensive insurance? So what does the expert say? Now there is a no right answer or wrong answer for this question. You can go for a third party insurance, or you can go for a third party insurance, comprehensive insurance, and other add-ons as well. This basically depends upon the budget you are having and how much you are willing to spend on your loved vehicle. Now let's take a case study of an IT employee who is working from home for the past 1 year. Now let's try to understand, or let's try to suggest what kind of insurance is suitable for such a person. Now let's say Mr. A, who has been working from home for the past 1 year, and right now it's time for his vehicle renewal, and back of his mind he knows that for the next 1 year also I'll be working from home, so I will not be using my vehicle a lot, maybe sometimes during weekends, on some small trips, or for your grocery store trips. Now in such scenario or in such case study, what I can suggest is simply go with the third party insurance. Why? Because it is legal and it is mandatory. It is legal because if you have a third party insurance, you will not be challaned by the traffic police. You will be saving money there. And it is mandatory. Of course it is mandatory. You have to follow the law. So the law says you have to have a third party insurance. So these are the two reasons for which I would suggest for this IT employee to go for a third party insurance. And not only that, there are many other advantages. First of all, he doesn't have to shell out a lot of money for a comprehensive insurance or a zero depreciation add-on. So easily they will be saving about 40 to 50% about the insurance money, right? So why do you want to pay lot of money when you're not at all using your vehicle, which is just sitting there? Back of your mind, you know that you're not going to use it for a long period. So it doesn't make any financial sense to put a lot of money into something which is depreciating, number one. Number two, you're not using it a lot like you used to use it before the pandemic. Number three, it's always good to save some money, right? Now let's take another example of a sales executive. Now he or she might be working 24/7. So salespeople, they do a lot of calling, they do a lot of client meeting, they have to do a lot of traveling to other places, to other new locations. So there are a lot of variables involved here. And most importantly, they will be using their bike or car every day for their client visits. So in such scenario, I would strongly suggest to go with a comprehensive insurance along with a mandatory add-on, which is a zero depreciation. Now why would I suggest a costly insurance, which is a comprehensive insurance along with an additional add-on like a zero depreciation? Now because the salesperson travels a lot than a regular person, there are more chances of this person might get into an accident. Now in case of if you are having only a third party insurance and you get into an accident, and let's say you don't have any damages for yourself, but your vehicle is totally damaged. If you're having only a third party insurance, you will get zero payout, absolutely zero, nada. Now let's imagine this person is having a comprehensive insurance with a zero depreciation add-on. Now in case if it's a minor accident where he lost only the headlight, or the wheels got bent, or there's been some dent or color damage, this person, because he is having zero depreciation, he can claim full insurance for his vehicle. And what will happen is the service center people will completely repair the vehicle and they will make it like a brand new vehicle. And the person who is insured, he doesn't have to pay a lot of money, or they'll just have to pay the government mandated fees. When it comes to a car, it would be around 2000 rupees plus taxes, and when it comes to a bike, it will be a lot less of amount. Now in this case, the person is a winner here because he's smart, he took a comprehensive with zero depreciation. Now let's imagine a scenario where this person has met with an accident, but he has only the comprehensive cover, he has not taken the zero depreciation. So what will happen in that scenario? Even in this case, the company or the service center, they will repair the vehicle of this person, and they will introduce something called as depreciation. So imagine if the vehicle is 5 years old and it has met with an accident. Now what is the actual insured declared value, which is IDV of this vehicle? So based on that, if the bill is, let's say for example 20,000 rupees, the person has to pay some 10,000 rupees and the insurance company will pay the remaining 10,000 rupees. So now you can see what is the main advantage of having a zero depreciation add-on. Now let's talk about where I can purchase an insurance. So traditionally, a lot of people buy the insurance through a insurance agent or an insurance broker. So if you're having a new vehicle or if you're buying a new vehicle, traditionally a lot of people, they will go with the insurance which is provided by the dealer. But these days, a lot of people are using websites like policybuzzer.com, or they are going directly to the insurance website and they are purchasing. Now, which is the smart way to purchase insurance? Should I go with an agent, or should I purchase it at the dealership level, or should I purchase it on my own online? As a person who has been using a vehicle for almost 15 years, I would strongly suggest purchase your insurance online. Number one, it will be cheaper. Number two, you don't have to deal with the commission Now, why would I suggest to purchase an insurance online instead of purchasing it from an agent or getting it renewed at a dealership level? Very simple reason. A dealer or an agent, they make commission. So if your insurance is costing, let's say 20,000 rupees, the dealer or the insurance agent, they will make a commission of 3 to 5,000 rupees on that insurance. So you're simply wasting your money by giving extra money which you can get at a discounted price if you purchase online. Now, how can I purchase a vehicle insurance online? It's very simple, it's very easy, and you don't have to worry about anything. You can do it at any time, anywhere, any place, from your mobile, from your laptop, from your desktop. So all you have to do is log on onto policybazaar.com, enter your vehicle details like make, manufacturing year, what is the variant, what is the expiry date on the existing insurance, have you been taken any insurance claims in the past year. All these details it will ask. You'll have to simply fill up a form, and then what it will do is it will give you many options like what is the IDV you want to choose, that is the insured declared value. So I would always suggest go with the highest IDV value as possible, because in case of a total loss, that is the amount you will be receiving as a payment. Now after you enter all the details, it will compare it against a lot of insurance companies. So what Policy Bazaar will do, or any insurance comparison website will do, is they will take your details and they will compare it against all the insurance providers, and it will display you the best value insurance. It will give you an option. You can make additions, you can put add-ons, you can adjust your IDV, you can update the no claim bonus, all this stuff. Now the moment it gives you a quotation, don't blindly go with the cheapest insurance. Check what kind of add-ons that insurance is offering. That is very important. Now after you get all the quotations in policybazaar.com, what you can do is you can use that as a negotiation chip with your agent or dealership and try to get a better deal. Or there is another option, you can go directly to the insurance website. So for example, HDFC Ergo has given you the cheapest insurance. Go directly to the HDFC Ergo website, enter your details and get a quotation there. It might be cheaper because policybazaar.com is also a commission agent. Shocking, right? Now finally, after choosing your insurance either through policybazaar.com or online in the company portal directly, what you have to do is you have to send them copies of your previous insurance. So for example, previous insurance were Reliance Insurance and currently you are taking a HDFC Ergo, they might ask you to upload the documents. Some insurance companies, they will also ask you to upload the videos of your vehicle so that they know that it's not already damaged. Now let me close this video by giving you some tips and tricks to save some more money. Always buy directly from the insurance website, which is cheaper, which is efficient, and it cannot be manipulated. Make sure that you read all the terms and conditions which are provided there. Make sure you add all the mandatory covers. Make sure you add zero depreciation, and then also make sure that it's a genuine website and not a fake website created by fraudsters. Finally, after making the payment online, make sure you take a screenshot of the transaction number, transaction ID, and you will also receive an email from the insurance stating that they have received the payment. Do not delete them, save them until you receive a hard copy. Now there are some insurance companies which do not send you a hard copy. That is still fine. You can just enter the policy number in their website and download it in the PDF format. You can take a printout of it. I hope you all liked this video today. Please share, subscribe, like my channel. Thank you all.